So, is Bitcoin price in recovery? BTC is trading around 30K today after bottoming out. So, there's no doubt that the current market situation is terrifying. Altcoins saw a significant sell-off during this week, and Bitcoin hit a new low last night of 26K around here. And the stock market continues its bearish momentum, as everyone knows, and investors worry about inflation. With the recent rebound from its low, is the Bitcoin price in recovery? Is it a good idea to buy the dip? So let's go over the current market situation and see what the future may hold for the cryptocurrency and the stock markets. The Bitcoin flash crash. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday, Bitcoin flash crashed to the mid 20K level, and it was a bear trap. After that, it rebounded as high as 28K, and since that, it's been trying to reach this level of 29. Unfortunately, it reached the level of 30K a few hours ago. Now, the real question is whether or not Bitcoin can continue its recovery even though the stock markets today continue to show bearish momentum as investors worry about inflation. It's important, however, to realize that while Bitcoin and cryptocurrency are showing significant devaluations, most markets are down during this month, including gold and silver, real estate stocks, tech stocks, etc. If anything, today Bitcoin is performing exceptionally well as it's showing bullish momentum on intraday charts, as you can see here. Let's go now to the news. According to a report published last night by Oliver Knight from CoinDesk, the recent launched Australian crypto ETF is showing some volumes despite the recent market crash and extreme volatility. According to the report, the Bitcoin ETF showed over 250K and Ethereum showed over 150K in trading volume within the first hour. It's clear that serious investors are still buying Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the long-term sentiment of the crypto asset remains bullish. If we take a look at Twitter, we can see that in other news, Bitcoin showed over 8.2 billion in realized loss, with a net of 6.2 billion losses in the past 3 days. According to this chart from Glassnode, and it was published on Twitter by @Unchanged College. But what does this mean? Well, this means that many people sold the BTC and cut their losses this week. The last time the market saw such losses was in late January 2022, when the November 2021 cryptocurrency bubble popped. Now, let's answer the question that you all want to know. Is Bitcoin dead? For those worried about Bitcoin dying, according to 99 Bitcoin's Bitcoin obituaries page, BTC has been declared dead over 448 times over its lifetime since 2010. But you might be asking now, what qualifies as an obituary? So if you check it here, they have the rules. As the prime source for Bitcoin obituaries, we use the following guidelines in order to qualify an obituary. The content itself, not just the headline, must be explicit about the fact that Bitcoin is or will be worthless. No, maybe, or could. The content was produced by a person with a notable following or a site with substantial traffic. At the time being, we only accept obituaries in English. So no other languages are considered for now. It will be interesting to see if they can implement something that will cover the major languages, at least. And if you scroll down, you can find the number of deaths by year. And also the China Bitcoin bans, which is happening every now and then. You can see here 2022, 2021, and 2017, which has the most. And that's not a surprise. Everyone remembers what happened in 2017. So this should give you a bigger picture of what's happening right now. Even after all these times when Bitcoin was considered dead, it's still standing. So to summarize everything, Bitcoin is still a top performing asset in the 24 to 40 month range, and it's outperforming stocks by a significant margin. the cryptocurrency market will get through this challenging period and come out stronger than ever. As always, I'm gonna leave these links down there. And this is all for today, and see you on the next one.